Dress Sparkles viral script, baby designer frocks by Nayab Garments, 500 words, Sparkles dress. Welcome to Nayab Garments, the home of elegance, charm, and the cutest fashion for your little princess. In a world full of trends, we create timeless beauty, one frock at a time. Our baby designer frocks are not just outfits, they are magical moments woven into fabric. Every stitch tells a story of joy, celebration, and childhood dreams. From birthday bashes to wedding receptions, from Eid mornings to casual summer strolls, we've got a dress for every precious moment. Ribbon. What makes our frocks so special? Luxurious fabrics like soft net, chiffon, and premium cotton. Elegant embroidery, delicate lacework, and handcrafted details. Trending styles, ruffles, bows, pearl buttons, and pastel shades. Comfortable fit, breathable design, and perfect twirl factor. Each piece is designed to highlight your baby's innocence and enhance her natural cuteness. No matter the season. Winter velvet, summer cotton, or spring florals, we have it all in stock. Sparkling heart. Why choose Nayab Garments? Because we understand that when a mother chooses a dress, she's not just picking clothes. She's choosing memories, smiles, and confidence for her child. That's why our frocks are crafted with love and attention to every tiny detail. Glowing star. Trending right now. Princess crown frocks. Fairy tulle dresses. Classic rose embroidery. Sequins plus organza blends. Soft pastel party wear sets. Camera with flash. Want those Instagram-worthy baby photos? Dress her up in Nayab Garments and watch how every frame becomes a memory worth saving. Speech balloon. Don't forget to like, share, and comment your favorite design. Subscribe to our channel for weekly fashion drops and style inspiration for your little one. Your baby is special, her dress should be too. Because at Nayab Garments, we don't just sell frocks. We deliver joy, style, and unforgettable childhood charm, one outfit at a time. Hashtag Nayab Garments, hashtag baby frocks 2025, hashtag cutest fashion ever, hashtag mini style icon, hashtag princess vibes only.